Imagine having a car that can do more than just transport you from point A to point B. Sounds amazing, right? Well, you're in luck because we found 10 awesome car gadgets that will transform your driving experiences. So fasten your seatbelt, relax, and prepare to explore the coolest car gadgets you've been missing out on. The Arzin STP12 air compressor and jump starter is more than just an automotive accessory, it's a versatile 4-in-1 powerhouse that can truly transform your on-the-road experience. Imagine being able to effortlessly inflate your tires in as little as 5 minutes with its robust 150 psi capacity, ensuring you're always ready for your next journey. The precision pressure control system guarantees that you won't overinflate, giving you peace of mind and enhancing tire longevity. Additionally, with its rapid jump-starting capability and a peak current of 1200 A, this device can bring your vehicle back to life within mere seconds, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles from motorcycles to massive trucks. But that's not all. The Arzin STP12 doubles as a handy power bank, ensuring your smartphone and other devices never run out of juice during your adventures. Plus, with its high-lumen LED flashlight featuring both illumination and SOS flash modes, it's your trusty companion during nighttime emergencies or outdoor escapades. Portable, lightweight, and equipped with advanced safety features, this device offers convenience and security on every road trip. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just a daily commuter, the Arzin STP12 is a must-have addition to your vehicle toolkit, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever comes your way. Don't forget to check out the video description where we have a special 5% off discount code just for you. Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. Meet the Ryobi Mini Vacuum, your pocket-sized cleanup companion while being on the road. Its petite frame hides a powerful punch, boasting a high-speed motor that delivers a robust 7,000 Pascal suction. Designed with sleek elegance, this handheld vacuum fits snugly in your palm and effortlessly complements any style. Its stability stands tall, saving space and ensuring easy storage during your travels. Fast-charging lithium-ion batteries grant you a generous 20 minutes of continuous cordless cleaning, a reliable ally for your journey. Equipped with a variety of accessories, brush nozzle, crevice nozzle, and blowing hose, it handles dust, crumbs, and pet hair in every nook and cranny of your car. Its 3-layer filtration system featuring stainless steel, non-woven, and sponge filters ensures a thorough cleanse and a prolonged motor life. This mini marvel transforms your driving space into a haven of cleanliness, making every journey a seamless, mess-free experience. In the world of constant motion, meet the QOV Smart Dash Cam, a silent guardian for your journeys. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi speed, it effortlessly connects to your driving experience, offering a seamless loop recording, crash detection, and even an image shot button for those unexpected moments. But it's not just about recording. This goes beyond remote features like live view streaming and cloud storage. Imagine staying connected to your car, receiving live event notifications, and having emergency contacts at your fingertips. Resolution matters, and this dashcam excels with its 5K recording capability, ensuring every detail is crystal clear. The 510-degree full view captures a wide perspective, vital for those unexpected turns in life. Night vision ensures your footage is impeccable even in the darkest hours, so elevate your driving security with the QOV, which is not just a dashcam but a witness to your adventures. Enter the FlashV Car Charger, your road trip companion that keeps everyone powered up. Its 100-watt multi-port charger adapter brings harmony to your device chaos with 2 Type-C ports and 3 USB ports. No more arguments over who gets to charge first, everyone gets a fair share of power. Picture 2 PD 100-watt Type-C ports offering a fast charging power duo for 2 laptops simultaneously. The built-in power management chip ensures protection against short circuits and overcharging, safeguarding your drive. Durability meets style with its scratch-resistant body and fan blade cooling for optimal temperature. The mounting clip adds convenience, securing the charger in your car. Supercharge your long-distance travels, and with 7 colors breathing mode, it's not just a charger, it's a statement. No need to replace your head unit. Car PC brings a full Android computer experience right to your fingertips. It's not just a device, it's a game changer. Installation? A breeze. No need for a car technician, even a child can set it up faster than pulling out a phone. With full access to the Google Play Store, Car PC unleashes over 2 million apps for your enjoyment. From movies on Netflix to gaming with your favorite controller, your car becomes an entertainment hub. Powered by a 2.0 GHz octa-core CPU and boasting up to 4 GB of RAM plus 64 GB of ROM, Car PC is a performance-centric beast. Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, and a microSD card slot add to the convenience. The Pro version even brings dual MEMS microphones and 4G LTE connectivity with phone calling. Truly an all-in-one upgrade for driving pleasure. Transform your journey into a high-tech adventure with the OBD Car Connected app. Unleash the power of a 6-in-1 app featuring 125 gauges, performance meters, data logging, video capabilities, and fuel efficiency insights. Multi-gauge takes center stage, turning your dashboard into a professional-grade, customizable display. With up to 125 parameters in 6 preset modes, it's like having a digital pit crew at your fingertips. Drive smarter with Kiwi's Drive Green algorithms, providing fuel efficiency feedback and saving you an average of $660 annually. But wait, there's more. It goes beyond data logging and video overlay. Capture your drive with real-time data overlay, perfect for road trips, track days, or fleet vehicles. It's the world's smallest OBD adapter, and this is your ticket to a seamless connection. Just plug it into your OBD2 port, launch the app, and embark on a new era of car intelligence. Meet Macron and Super Bagel, the dynamic duo that redefines car charging. Imagine a foldable charger design with geometric precision, eliminating excess bulk without compromising stability. It's not just a charger, it's a feat of engineering. The integrated 60cm retractable charging cable ensures clutter-free convenience, and it goes the extra mile by supporting Lightning, micro USB, and Type-C charging, eliminating the need for multiple cables. Fast charging mighty power, supporting PD charging up to 45 watts, turns your car into a high-power charging station. But Macron doesn't stop there. Its illumination and emergency strobe light provide visibility in dark corners or on the roadside. The battery health monitor becomes your car's health companion, offering timely notifications for low battery and unexpected performances, preventing accidents. So it's more than chargers, it's your compact, versatile, and powerful companion on every car journey. Just plug in and experience charging reinvented. Ever wish your car could do more than just drive? Brace yourself for the automotive transformation you never knew you needed with the Ryobi 2.0 Alexa. This isn't your average car mount, it's a voice-activated wireless powerhouse that turns your car into a smart hub. You can cruise down the road, ask your car to play your favorite tunes, or guide you home, all without having to lift a finger. It'll be like your in-car personal assistant, seamlessly integrating Amazon Alexa into your driving experience. Not stopping there, it's also a 15-watt Qi wireless charger. No more fumbling with cables, just drop your phone on the mount and let the intelligent tech take care of the rest. And yep, it fits all cars, connecting via Bluetooth or even using the built-in FM transmitter for older vehicles. A blend of smart, sleek, and wireless, making your car more than just a mode of transport. Effortlessly bring back your car's showroom shine with the Auto Buff. Say goodbye to the days of complicated polishing, it's here to simplify the process. It's cordless, powerful, and designed for everyone from beginners to car care enthusiasts. No more wrestling with cords. Its cordless design gives you the freedom to reach every nook and cranny of your vehicle without having to deal with messy constraints. Besides, it's lightweight, easy to handle, and equipped with a 4000 mAh battery to ensure you polish without the hassle. It will ensure a glossy finish without the fuss. Ready to let your car shine effortlessly? Auto Buff is here to make it happen. And finally, here is the Norshire Mini, a compact minimalist tire whisperer that defies convention. Compact doesn't mean compromising power, as the Norshire Mini tire inflator packs a punch, delivering high-pressure air in a sleek pocket-sized package. It's not just an inflator, it's a design statement. It's a testament to simple meeting functionality. No more digging through the glove compartment for the manual, as it boasts a 0.91-inch OLED display with touch controls. Connect it to your tires and let it do the measuring pressure, stopping automatically at the preset level, and even monitoring internal temperature. It's not just about inflating tires, it's a total paradigm shift. It's so small that it fits your modern aesthetic, ensuring you're prepared for any road trip without having to sacrifice style or space. Get ready for a tire inflator revolution. Norshire Mini is here to redefine the game. So that concludes our list of the 10 coolest car gadgets you must have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.